Can weight loss be painless and easy? If you're trying very hard to avoid your favorite treats or snacks and squeeze in workouts at the same time, it can seem like there's nothing simple about it. Eating healthier and making time for exercise may seem hard at first, but it really doesn't have to require too much effort. Making just a few simple lifestyle changes can be very effective over time. So what are the most effective and painless methods to lose weight? Well, we'll find out in just a second, but first, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and ring the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Number 10. Set realistic goals. When it comes to losing weight, plenty of people will go through the following process. They'll get onto the scales to weigh themselves. They'll be astounded at the number on the scales. Then and there, they'll make it their mission to lose a large amount of weight in as short a time as possible to get down to where they want to be. This is a practice that is almost guaranteed to fail miserably. But what doesn't fail you is setting a realistic goal for weight loss. That means taking a realistic look at how much you weigh right now and then being realistic about how much weight you truly believe you can lose over time. Losing 20 pounds or so in 2 weeks is out of the question. That's because you're unlikely to shed such a huge amount of weight in such a short period. Then you'll feel so horrible about failing that you'll go ahead and put everything you did lose right back on again. So, if you want to lose 20 pounds, set a more realistic target of 10 to 20 weeks. This might, at first glance, seem really hard, but when you think about it, it makes a lot of sense. Number 9. Cut down on your calories. The amount of calories you consume has a direct relation to your weight. 1 pound of fat is equivalent to consuming 3,500 calories. So, to shed 1 pound, you must consume 3,500 calories less, which is nearly impossible. Well then, how can we lose weight? One way to achieve weight loss is to cut at least 500 calories from your diet. By doing this daily for 7 days, you can lose 1 pound in a week. Or, if that's too difficult, you can reduce your daily caloric intake by just 250 calories. Even if the results are slow, you'll still lose some weight in the end. There are several ways of cutting down on calories. Eating smaller portions than you normally do, and replace high-caloric foods like French fries and sweets with fresh fruits, vegetables, and salads. However, do not go below 1,200 calories in a day, as this will cause a drastic drop in your energy and nutritional deficiencies. Number 8. Eat more protein. Most of the time, what you eat does not really matter if you keep your calories under control. The only exception is consuming high-protein foods. Protein can help with weight loss in 3 ways. It makes you feel fuller for a longer period. It's metabolized less efficiently than either carbs or fat, meaning you can get away with eating more of it. It helps preserve lean muscle mass, allowing for a greater percentage of weight loss to come from body fat stores. According to research, these benefits are peaked at around 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight daily. So we suggest that you aim to achieve your daily target as often as possible. Number 7. Eat more high-volume foods. Some things are unavoidable. For example, it's difficult to beat hunger. It doesn't matter how well-planned your diet is. If hunger gets unbearable, everyone will eventually cave in. So what's the solution? Simply put, eat more high-volume foods that keep you fuller for longer, such as fibrous green vegetables, lean protein, low-fat dairy, low-sugar fruit, potatoes, and other roots and tubers. These foods are not only high in volume, but they're also relatively healthier choices. Number 6. Eliminate liquid calories. You consume hundreds of extra calories every day by drinking sugary sodas, tea, juice, or wine. These are referred to as empty calories, as they provide extra energy without any nutritional benefit. So unless you're drinking a smoothie as a meal replacement, stick to water and sweetened tea or coffee. If the water is too bland, add a drop of fresh lemon or orange to liven it up. This will not only keep you hydrated, but will also help alleviate food cravings in between meals. Number 5. Don't diet. Eat healthy instead. One of the major drawbacks of diets is that they rarely work in the long term. If anything, people who diet gain more weight over time. Our bodies slow down our metabolic rate when we restrict calories too drastically. This is commonly called starvation mode. However, if you focus on eating more healthily rather than dieting, this effect won't, or at least shouldn't, occur. So rather than starving yourself, focus on nourishing your body. Weight loss should then flow naturally. Number 4. Eat slowly. Most people simply need to eat less food to lose weight, and that means not stuffing yourself until you're bursting. Eat mindfully and chew your food at least 15 to 20 times before swallowing. Eating until your stomach is 80% full is another way to avoid overeating. Our brain gets feedback signals based on fluctuating glucose levels, and it can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes for these signals to tell us that we're full and can stop eating. That's why eating slowly is so important. Slow down and stop eating when you're 80% full or satisfied. You'll probably consume far fewer calories because you'll be full before even finishing your meal. Number 3. Plan ahead. Weight loss will be even more substantial if you stock your kitchen with diet-friendly items and create structured meal plans. If you want to lose weight, get rid of those processed and junk foods from your kitchen and stock up on ingredients for fast yet healthy, delicious meals. This will help you avoid impulsive, unplanned, and reckless eating. But what if you have a social event or a family dinner to attend? Well, try to plan food choices. Yes, food choices. You won't be able to eat your structured meal during events or dinners, but you can choose a healthier food option. For instance, order tomato sauces instead of Alfredo or cheese sauces, or flavor your food with lemon or pepper instead of salt, sauce, or gravy. Avoid the breadsticks. Opt for a sorbet or a fresh fruit platter instead of ice cream for dessert. Check out my recipe on healthy and delicious sorbet. I'll link it at the end of the video. So you see, there are several healthier alternatives available. Remember, where there's a will, there's a way. Number 2, seek social support. Many people find it difficult to just work out or even get themselves to the gym. And to make matters worse, rather than encouraging your efforts to improve your health, some friends and family members may unintentionally sabotage your progress by making unhelpful comments or tempting you with high-calorie foods. This will undoubtedly affect your weight loss journey, both emotionally and psychologically. Having a support system behind you while you lose weight will give you that motivation and inspiration to keep going, even when things become hard or frustrating. So you see, finding support for your weight loss efforts can really mean the difference between success and failure. Invite your friends and family to join you on your weight loss journey or post updates on social media. Just make sure to stay motivated. Number 1, stay active. Becoming more active isn't easy. Different people may have different reasons for finding it hard to get moving, but that's what's making you unhealthy. Experts recommend at least 150 minutes of moderate physical activity per week, or at least 30 minutes on all or most days of the week, such as biking or brisk walking. These activities will help you burn fats by increasing your heart rate and breathing rate. If the thought of these activities seem intimidating to someone new to exercise, you can begin by doing the following activities to increase your exercise levels. Take the stairs instead of elevators, walk your dog, dance, or play your favorite outdoor games. Remember to stay active and keep moving. So what are your thoughts on these weight loss tips? Have you tried any of these? If you have, do share your experiences in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more videos like this. You can also check out some related videos that might interest you on this channel.